As a learning experience designer with a 3D and motion design background, I'm always exploring how to move beyond flat visuals and create scenes that truly pull the learner in. Sure, I know I need to let learners know this course uses audio. Maybe I add a quick text prompt here, toss in some headphone or speaker icons, and then remind them to turn on their audio to get the full experience, right? I'm not saying it's bad. Maybe it's the best you can do under pressure. But if you had more time and space to experiment, how far could you push your creativity? To answer that and help you save time while adding an engaging start to your course, I designed a fresh animation concept built around that pre-launch takeoff edutainment concept. You know how airlines like United, American, or KLM use those creative safety videos to grab your attention before takeoff? Same idea here, designed to spark that same kind of engagement at the start of your course. I'll go ahead and play it here, but I recommend heading to our website to watch it yourself. Sometimes the audio can sound a bit off during recording. I'll also drop the link below the video so you can check it out.
This course includes audio to enhance your learning experience. For the best results, we recommend using headphones, earbuds, or an external speaker. This will help you fully absorb the content and make the most of the training. Are you ready to begin? Let's dive in.
This comes ready as an MP4 video file that you can drop straight into your course. It's in a 16:9 aspect ratio at 1920 by 1080 pixels. We can customize the colors of these animated icons and background for you. Once you download, just contact us and we'll color match them to your brand. This 3D animation is baked, meaning it's already fully rendered and finalized, so changes aren't possible. However, if you absolutely need adjustments to the 3D models, let us know. Same thing here. Easy to edit these elements. How quickly can you start using this Enable Audio template? Well, let's try it out. Let's just take the Crossroads template, which has 35 slides, and pretend it's your project. And then, let's insert our nice audio navigation into it. I'll show you how easy we've made this for you. Okay, I've already downloaded and opened the Storyline template file, as you can see over here. Also, the Enable Audio template is downloaded too. Obviously, I want my audio instruction at the start here, so I will open it. So next, I'm going to import and insert the audio file into my project. I'll bring it in as a Storyline file since this template comes in both MP4 and Storyline formats. Open and it will drop in. I'm going to shift the positioning here, so it plays first. Then add your next slide, trigger on the launch button. Then preview your new scene, see how it looks. Let me fast forward a bit.
This course includes audio to enhance your learning experience. For the best results, we recommend using headphones, earbuds, or an external speaker. This will help you fully absorb the content and make the most of the training. Are you ready to begin? Let's dive in.
Hope you like this final look. And to make it fit your other slides, just match the colors to your company's branding. As I mentioned, this template is editable on our end only. So after your purchase, just email us your brand colors and we'll make the updates for you. This customization is absolutely free of charge. Of course, the voiceover can be replaced on your end, so no problem there. I hope I've shared some valuable insights on how to push creative boundaries using our Enable Audio template, from the dry original version I showed at the start of this tutorial to the final result. I personally believe it's clearly a big step up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. I've added the preview link for the Enable Audio template in the description. Go check it out for yourself. And as always, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate your support. Also, head over to craftuxd.com and subscribe to our newsletter right on the homepage. You'll get access to exclusive tips and tricks we don't usually share on YouTube. Until next time, take care. I'm out.